Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard factory reset on your NAVI XD Kids tablet. In case it's not responding, you're having issues with accessing it because of passwords, anything like that, a hard reset will get rid of any passwords or anything like that. It's also going to restore it to its factory settings, which means anything you have on this tablet that you put on it, like apps or anything like that, will all be deleted. But if you want to do that, it's pretty easy to do. First thing we need to do is we have to force it to turn off by holding the power button down for 10 seconds. Once we've done that, we can go to the next step, which is that we want to press and hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously until a picture of a battery appears, and then release both of those buttons until we get this screen. You can see the screen that's shown here. And then if this is done correctly, this menu will appear up here at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Once that happens, we can use the volume down button to select and highlight the recovery kernel option on here in green. And then we're going to press the volume up button to select that. Now, once this little Android character with the exclamation point appears, you can press and hold the volume down button and then press the volume up button. You might need to try this a few times to make the blue menu appear. Once the blue menu appears, has appeared, use the volume down button to select and highlight wipe data factory reset, and then tap the power button to select that option. Once that happens, you can use the volume down button to select and highlight the yes, delete all user data, and tap on the power button to select that option. And then once that's done, once that has completed, you can go ahead and select the reboot system now. Press the power button to select that option, and it will turn the tablet on and turn it back off and turn it back on like the way it was when it came out of the box.